Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram post in Canva. To get started, open any browser and go to canva.com. Check if you're logged in. Once you're logged in, click on the Social Media button and then click on Instagram Post. This will give you a blank canvas to work with. Now, go to the Templates tab and select a template from the list. Canva has a wide variety of templates to choose from, so you're sure to find one that you like. Once you've chosen a template, you can start customizing it to make it your own. Click on an element and customize it from the toolbar on the top. To delete an element, just click on it and tap on the Delete button. Now go to Elements and search for Frame. Click on See All. And select a suitable frame for your design. Now adjust it accordingly. To make a duplicate, click on the Duplicate button and adjust it accordingly. Once you have adjusted the position, it's time to insert images. Tap on Photos and search for images you want to insert. Simply drag an image onto the frame. Now double-click on image and expand it as per your need. Do the same process with the other image. Click on the element and change its position from backward to forward. Now to change the color and the theme. Go to Design and click on Style. Here you will find combinations of styles you can choose. Click on any of the style to give your design a better look. Click on a style multiple times to see variations. Now to change the text. Go to Text. Here you can add new text box. Also, you can change existing text by simply click on it. You can add a heading, subheading, or paragraph to your design. Or you can use pre-made text styles to your design. Just click on it and adjust it accordingly. To change the color of the text, click on the text and select the color of your choice. I think white looks better on this design. Let's have a preview. Let's change the images to make the design more catchy. Just go to the photos and select the new images. Once images are adjusted, let's have a preview. Perfect. It looks good now. To download this image, click on the Share button. Then click on the Download button. Here select the file type. Then tap Download. Your image will be downloaded into your device. That's it for now. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.